Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky Delta shower valve faucet. This faucet will be fixed with a new cartridge. Since this faucet was installed after 2006, it will take a Delta replacement cartridge number RP46074. If your Delta shower valve was installed prior to 2006, you will need cartridge number RP19804. First, turn the water to the house off. Next, remove the set screw that holds the handle on. It is a 3/32 set screw. This is my hex head wrench set. It's very important to get a precise fit on the set screw because sometimes there will be a considerable amount of corrosion. The T-handle wrench will really help you to get this set screw off if there is corrosion. Remove the handle. Now pull off the trim sleeve. It pulls straight out. Inside the trim sleeve, you'll find a spacer. Now turn the cartridge ring counterclockwise. This can be a very easy task if there is not much corrosion, or it can be a very difficult task if there is a lot of corrosion. Try to take the cartridge ring off by hand if you can. A pair of 12-inch channel lock adjustable pliers can help if you are careful to not damage the cartridge ring. With the cartridge ring off, pull the cartridge straight out. You may need to wiggle it somewhat. Even though you have the water turned off, there may be some trapped water behind this cartridge. If water starts to come out, just let it come out until it stops on its own. Then pull the cartridge the rest of the way straight out. Now use a flashlight to carefully inspect the inside of the valve body for corrosion. Clean the valve body of any grit or deposits. This is the new cartridge. Hot goes on the left side and cold goes on the right side. Notice that there are indentations in the valve body that are filled by points on the cartridge. Put silicone plumber's grease on all of the O-rings of the cartridge. Slide the cartridge into place. With the hot on the left, slide the cartridge in until it is seated. Put a liberal amount of plumber's grease on the threads of the valve body and the cartridge ring. Screw the cartridge ring on in a clockwise manner. Tighten this cartridge ring snugly, but only hand tight. Install the trim sleeve and spacer by pushing them straight on. Now set the rotational limit stop scald guard. This is the new style made by Delta, and it is very easy to adjust. Just pull the scald guard towards you and turn it counterclockwise for colder and clockwise for hotter. This is the coldest setting. Turn it until you get the desired setting. Now put the handle back on. Now grease the set screw that holds on the handle. Use your 3/32 hex head wrench to reinstall this set screw and handle. Turn the water back on. Congratulations! Your shower faucet no longer leaks. In my video description, I'll put links for the Delta cartridge that I installed in the video, as well as the cartridge that goes with the Delta shower valves that were installed prior to 2006. Also, I'll put links for the channel lock 12-inch adjustable pliers, as well as the channel lock 3-pack of adjustable pliers. I'll put a link for Rector Seal plumber's grease and the Bontas 10-piece hex head wrench set, which includes the 3/32 hex head that you need for this repair. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful.